All right, we got a little interrupted there, but let's get back to it. So we created our table. Now the next thing, let's go ahead and create our equation. So our y equals kx. And if you remember from our lesson yesterday, the equation to find k would be y over x. If you don't remember, go ahead and watch the previous video at 5.4. So y over x. If we look over here, our y over x would be 10 over 2, which is equal to 5. So our equation would be y equals kx, or 5x. And so what would our unit rate be here? Yep, 5 is unit rate. So our unit rate is 5, y equals kx is our equation, and then let's go ahead and graph this. So if we were to create a graph, what do you think would we want to put here and here? Well, x, here's our x-axis, right? So let's put, we have quite a bit of space, so let's do this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We'll do that for now, and then going up here, let's go up by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So for every 2 tokens, and let's label this tokens, and we'll label this pitches, number of pitches. So number of pitches, tokens. So for every 2, he gets 10. 2 more, he gets 10 more, or 20 total. 2 more. So here would be our rough sketch of our line, of our proportional graph. It goes through the origin, it's a straight line, it's proportional, our unit rate is 5. So that's an example of how we would take a situation and create a table from it, draw a graph, and find an equation. We'll do one more example down here. So Leah earns $39 for 3 hours of babysitting. There is a proportional relationship between the number of hours Leah babysits, X, and the total number of amount of money she earns, Y. So X is number of hours. Y is total amount of money. Total amount of money in dollars. So for every 3 hours, let's start with our 0, because if she works 0 hours, she gets $0. 3, 6, 9, 12. For the first 3 hours, she would get 39. For the next 3 hours, she would get 39 more. So let's see, 39 and 39 is 78. And then add 39 more, we get 117 and $156. So that's our table. It tells us it's proportional. We already know that. So let's find our constant of proportionality, or unit rate, by taking y over x. Y over x equals 39 over 3. You could pick any set. If you did 156 over 12, it would equal the same thing. 117 over 9. All these things, 39 divided by 3, y divided by x, they're all going to be 13 as your constant proportionality or unit rate. And that would make our equation y equals, this is our k, x. And then, so that is our table, our equation, and our graph. Let's just do this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We could keep going, but that's probably enough. And then here, let's have our increments go up by we'll just do every 3 as the 13, or every 1 is 13, our unit rate. So 39. So wait, would be 78, would be 117, and 156. So then every 3 hours would be $39. 3 more hours would be $39 more. 3 more hours would be $39 more. 3 more hours would be $39 more. 3 more hours, $39 more. So there's our basic sketch of our graph. And it's proportional. It starts at 0 and it goes up at the same unit rate. Okay, thanks again for spending time with Mr. Kura, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.